Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the world of crossbows and showcasing the best options for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just starting out, we've got you covered with top picks that offer the perfect balance of power, precision, and affordability. From high-speed performance to innovative features, these crossbows are built to take your hunting game to the next level. So let's jump right in and find the perfect crossbow for your next adventure. The TenPoint Turbo X is a high-performance crossbow designed for hunters seeking speed, precision, and portability. With a remarkable velocity of 415 feet per second and 157 feet-pounds of kinetic energy, it stands out as one of the fastest and most powerful models in the market. Weighing just 6.8 pounds and measuring 33.25 inches in length, it's compact and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for all types of hunters. One of the standout features of the Turbo X is the S2 trigger, a two-stage, 3.5-pound trigger designed for maximum accuracy. Coupled with the innovative Rangemaster 100 scope, which helps deliver precise shots at extended ranges, the Turbo X is built for hunters who demand accuracy. The crossbow also includes the ACU slide cocking and decocking system, ensuring silent cocking and safe decocking without having to fire an arrow, giving users both convenience and safety. With a traditional two-cable bow assembly, the Turbo X is incredibly durable and low maintenance, making it a reliable companion for any hunt. For those looking to push the limits of performance, the crossbow is equipped with a 100-yard illuminated scope designed to maximize accuracy in low-light conditions. Whether you're an experienced hunter or just starting, the TenPoint Turbo X provides everything you need to excel in the field. The Bear X Konflict 405 is a high-performance crossbow tailored for hunters who value speed, precision, and affordability. Delivering a remarkable speed of up to 405 feet per second and generating approximately 122 foot-pounds of kinetic energy, this crossbow is designed to perform exceptionally well in various hunting scenarios. With a draw weight of 185 pounds and a power stroke of 13.75 inches, it packs impressive power, while its compact dimensions of 31.25 inches in length and 19 inches in width ensure it remains maneuverable in the field. Weighing 7.5 pounds, it is lightweight yet sturdy, offering excellent balance for accurate shooting. Equipped with a TriggerTech frictionless release trigger, the Konflict 405 ensures smooth, consistent performance with every shot. The God's Country camouflage finish not only enhances its appearance, but also provides an added layer of concealment in outdoor settings. For added comfort and adaptability, the crossbow includes an adjustable buttstock to suit a wide range of shooters, along with a pass-through foregrip for enhanced control and stability. The laminated limbs and CNC machined aluminum flight track contribute to its durability and accuracy, while the anti-dry-fire trigger system adds an essential safety feature by preventing accidental dry fires. The Bear X Konflict 405 comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including a 4x32mm multi-reticle scope for accurate aiming, a 5-arrow quiver, 3 20-inch carbon arrows with field points, a rope cocking device, and rail lube with string wax to maintain its performance. It is also compatible with a crank cocking device, providing a convenient option for those who prefer an easier cocking mechanism. With features like dual string suppressors to minimize noise and vibration, an ambidextrous safety for user-friendly operation, and a Picatinny-style scope mount rail for customization, this crossbow offers exceptional value. Designed for speed and reliability, the Bear X Konflict 405 is an excellent choice for hunters seeking high-end performance without compromising on affordability. The Ravin R26X XK7 is a high-performance crossbow that delivers power, precision, and portability, perfect for hunters. Capable of speeds up to 400 feet per second with 142 foot-pounds of kinetic energy, it offers a manageable 12-pound draw weight and a 9.5-inch power stroke. Compact and lightweight, it measures 5.75 inches axle to axle when cocked, 26 inches in length, and weighs just 6.5 pounds. Finished in King's XK7 camouflage, it provides excellent concealment in diverse terrains. This crossbow includes premium accessories, a 100-yard illuminated scope with speed lock, 3 Ravin 003 arrows with field points, a removable draw handle, a quiver with a mounting bracket, and built-in sling mounts. Designed for precision, it features helicoil technology, ensuring consistent arrow flight and superior accuracy, while the fully integrated silent cocking system allows quiet, controlled draws. The anti-dry fire mechanism and automatic safety enhance reliability, and the speed lock system maintains calibration for consistent performance. Additional features include the VersaDraw cocking system, which prevents overcocking and allows pausing during cocking, and the track trigger firing system for balanced draws and exceptional accuracy. The frictionless flight system ensures smooth arrow release, enhancing target precision. Hunters praise its compact design, ease of use, and innovative technology, making it ideal for tight spaces and extended hunts. Priced around $2,249.99, the Ravin R26XXK7 is available through Ravin's official website and authorized dealers, standing out as a premium, feature-packed crossbow. The Killer Instinct Lethal 405 is a high-performance crossbow designed for hunters who seek a combination of speed, precision, and value. With a velocity of up to 405 feet per second and delivering about 134 foot-pounds of kinetic energy, this crossbow packs impressive power. It features a draw weight of 210 pounds and a 14.5-inch power stroke. The crossbow measures 14.75 inches axle to axle when cocked and 18.75 inches when uncocked, with an overall length of 34.5 inches and a weight of 7.2 pounds. The crossbow is finished in true timber strata camo, offering excellent camouflage for a variety of environments. Included with the Lethal 405 are essential accessories to get you hunting right out of the box, including a 4x32 scope, a rope cocking device, string suppressors, a quiver, 3 20-inch HOIPR light bolts with field tips, and rail lubricant. This crossbow is equipped with a smooth 3.5-pound trigger pull for added precision, and the anti-dry fire safety mechanism prevents accidental firing. It also features compatibility with a compact DSC narrow 1.5 sled crank, making cocking easier and less strenuous. The Lethal 405's design focuses on delivering speed and power, suitable for hunting a variety of game. The crossbow has received praise for its accuracy and user-friendly operation, with many hunters appreciating the convenience of its silent cocking system. The adjustable features offer customization for different shooters, while the included accessories make it a ready-to-use hunting package. The crossbow also features custom rubber shock absorbers that reduce noise and vibration for quieter performance, helping to increase stealth. Its ultralight composite stock ensures easy maneuverability, while the X-Lock foregrip is adjustable along the full-length Picatinny rail, providing custom comfort with multiple holding options. The CenterPoint Archery C0007 RAF 430X is a high-performance crossbow designed for hunters seeking power, precision, and stealth. It reaches speeds of up to 430 feet per second and delivers approximately 164 foot-pounds of kinetic energy. With a draw weight of 200 pounds, a 15-inch power stroke, and a compact 9-inch axle-to-axle width when cocked, it weighs 9 pounds and has an overall length of 32 inches. The sleek black finish ensures effective concealment. The RAF 430X comes with a 4x32 illuminated scope, a rope cocking sled, rail loop, 3 20-inch 003 carbon arrows, and a parallel quiver. Key features include a silent crank cocking device for a smooth, quiet draw, a full bearing cam system for increased speed, and a folding stock and stirrup that doubles as a stable bipod with a 3-stage locking mechanism. CNC machined aluminum rails provide durability and precision, while dry fire prevention technology ensures safety by preventing accidental firing. This crossbow excels in speed and power, making it suitable for hunting various game. It's praised for its accuracy, ease of use, and silent cocking system. Priced around $365, the RAF 430X offers a blend of advanced features, making it a solid choice for both novice and experienced hunters. Thanks for watching our rundown of the best crossbows for 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Let us know your favorite crossbow in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.